What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a review slash what fits in my Chanel large tote bag. This thing is so heavy. So this video is just gonna kind of briefly go over if I like this bag, if I recommend you guys to buy this bag, and what I kind of fit in it. I don't really go into the crazy specifications of the bag like a lot of other reviews do, so I don't really go into like measurements, crazy into detail like that. It's more just as like a normal girl, do I like it, would I recommend it, and what I fit in it, and what I use it for. So, ooh, it is so heavy, guys. I wish you could feel this. So first off, I got this off Fashion File, which is like a secondhand authentic bag retailer. So it's authenticated, it's real, but it was a lot cheaper than, I wouldn't say, okay, I'm not even gonna use the word cheap in this video because this bag was not cheap. It's a lot less expensive than getting it from like an actual first-hand Chanel bag, and it was in perfect condition. I feel like I really fucked it up, but like it was in really good condition when I first got it. So basically what I use this bag for is, during the summer I lived in this bag. I brought it with me to the beach, to the pool. I used it as kind of like a beach bag like that, and then I also use it as an overnight bag if I don't need like a lot of stuff, or I also use it when I'm going to like go shoot with friends and stuff and I just need to throw in like some stuff. It's also a great work bag because it fits like your laptop, everything like that. But before I ramble, I'm just gonna kind of jump into it and show you everything that it fits. Woo! So it fits a lot, and what I love is that this doesn't even look that full. So you could easily, I mean, it's heavy, but like you could easily walk around with this, and it's not like you're walking around with like this huge bag that people are like, what's in there? Like, it's crazy how much you could fit in, and it still looks compact. Okay, getting into what it fits. First off, my laptop. I believe this is the 13-inch, just for like size reference. If you guys have a laptop, this is the MacBook Air, I believe 13-inch. That fits in there, no problem. I bring it in here all the time when I'm working. I have my planner, and I have like a thicker planner too, and usually I have both in here and it fits no problem. So definitely all your work stuff. If you're a student in school or something, it could definitely fit textbooks, everything like that. I have a workout outfit in here just so I could show you guys that it does fit like clothing and stuff. So usually if I were to go shoot with a friend, like I would shoot the outfit I'm in and then just throw in another lighter outfit in the bag. So this is like a perfect example. Fits in there, no problem. I wanted you guys to kind of see me pulling the stuff out, or do you not care about that? Okay, wait, maybe I'm gonna really DIY here. I'm gonna use this laundry basket. Oh, okay. Ah! I'm into this, okay. You guys see? I have my full makeup case. Mind you, this is like packed to the brim, like with all my makeup. So it's not like it's just like a little cosmetic case. Like this thing is huge and it fits in there. So once again, perfect for like sleeping over at a friend's house. If you want to bring this or your toiletries, it will fit. I have my brushes in here for my makeup. I'll open it so you know like what I'm talking about. Oh, I cleaned the other half so they're dry, but even if with those in there, it would still fit. So my brushes are in there. I have a hairbrush, a full-size hairbrush fits in here, guys. I feel like I'm the person from Halloween Town, the grandma, when she's like pulling out everything from her bag. Or is that Mary Poppins? I think it's both. I have my filming tripod in here. This is like my portable one, which is so broken. I really need to order a new one. I'm gonna do that today. It's a mini one, so like obviously you pull it out and it gets up to like 6 feet or something, and it definitely just broke. So cute. I always carry that with me in here in case I need to film something by myself or shoot something by myself. I hate bothering friends or something. So that fits in there, which is super impressive. What else? I got some Lysol wipes, some hand sanitizers, because you know, gotta stay safe. I got this Lysol air spray, a little bit of germaphobe, sunglasses. I'm not gonna go crazy into it. My wallet, I have socks in here for my workout outfit. Just like, and then I just have a bunch of my stuff. Oh, my eye cream. I've been looking for this forever. I thought I lost it. Hand sanitizer again, some gum, and then some random stuff. So as you can see, now the bag's basically empty. So as you can see, all of that stuff fit in there, no problem. I mean, it was definitely heavy, but you couldn't tell that it was bulking out. And I had so much in there. I mean, what else would you really need? What I do recommend though is if the bag is really heavy, hold it by these handles. I would not risk it by using the chain. I mean, I'm sure Chanel's really strong, but just in case, I only really use this when the bag's super light and I'm just throwing it on. But for the most part, I carry it this way. But I do like that there's options. I know that this bag is expensive, but I can honestly say that I have, okay, I'm gonna move this away. I have worn it so many times and it still looks so good. So it's definitely very durable. Even with the lighter color, I was nervous to get like this like lightish grayish color. It's almost like a bluish gray, and this is almost like, no, I guess this is black. I would say it's light gray. I was hesitant to get such a light color because I was nervous that it was gonna stain or anything like that. But even like in the edges, like there's light wear and tear, but for what I've done to this bag, guys, it's held up really well. I need to treat it a lot better. Like during the summer, I feel like I would just wear it every single weekend and just like bring it with me wherever I went. So it definitely did its job holding up. I definitely love the look of it. I love like everything about it, the chain, this. There's so many pockets on the inside too. Huge pocket here that just has like all my receipts. And then on this side it has 2 pockets as well. So for such a big bag, I think it's important to have side pockets because you don't want, like I put all my little stuff in there in case I just need to grab it. Like hand sanitizer, your wallet, everything like that that you would want to get to quickly is in there. And then I don't really know what this is for. I guess if you want to like put your keys on it, or like, I guess maybe it came with like a little wallet or something. Is that supposed to come with the bag? I don't know. Oh my god, like tweezers, guys. I need to look, like search through this. I literally, my eye cream and my tweezers I thought were goners. I was like so upset. I was like, how, like where do I get more? Okay, but anyway. So for the price, I know it is expensive, but I think it holds up very well. I think it's such a classic bag. I think I will have it for years and years to come. I mean, Chanel never goes out of style. I do love the color. I don't regret it at all. I was between this and a denim one, like a medium wash denim. And I'm really happy I went with this color because it just goes with everything. And it's perfect for like spring and summer when I really feel like you would wear this the most. But I do recommend it. I know it is expensive. I do recommend trying to get it maybe secondhand. Maybe I'll try to find some links below. Fashion File is a great resource for that. There's like a bunch of those types of websites. I could try to link some of them below. Not really much more I could say. Like I say, I don't go crazy into the details of the bag. I think it's just a great looking bag. I love it. I wear it all the time. I definitely would recommend it. My one, I guess, complaint is that I don't like when it's not completely full. When you put it on the floor, it kind of like smushes in. Like I almost wish it would stay up like that. But I mean, I know like the Dior travel big bags like this stay up, but I almost feel like they're almost too boxy, and I kind of like that this one isn't. So maybe I wouldn't like it if it was stand up. But that, I will say, is my only complaint. Especially I've noticed in pictures when I like place it on the floor next to me, it like kind of sags over, so I kind of have to stuff it. Oh, there's a stain on this. I wonder if this is easy to clean because it's a canvas material. It's not cloth, which I thought it was because it does kind of look like cloth, but it's not. All right, I'm already rambling. But if you guys want any other reviews of any of my other bags, definitely let me know. I know when I am looking into a bag, I do a lot of research on it, and I try to find videos of people who seem like they have similar lifestyles to me, and if they actually do wear it and would recommend it. Once again, I'm rambling. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below which video you guys would want to see next from me. I'm trying to do at least 1 video a week, but maybe even more. Definitely follow along with me on my Instagram account. I'll put up a little screenshot right here because I post on there every single day and I story a lot. So if you guys want to see a little bit more, definitely follow along with me on Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.